Hey guys, it's Mason here. Today I'm going to be showing you how to find the percentage of people that are not here today. So the first step is 3 over 29. That equals 0.10. And then you times 0.10 by 100, which equals 10%. And there's your answer. 10% of the kids are not here in the class. Hope you like this video. Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to find the percentage of people in the class that have jobs. There's 10 jobs and 29 kids. So the first step is 10 over 29, which equals 0.03. And then you times that by 100, which equals 3%. There's your answer. 3% of the kids in the class have jobs. Hope you like this video. Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to find the percentage of kids that have birthdays in September. So there's 4 kids that have birthdays in September and 29 kids in the class. First step is 4 over 29. The decimal of that equation is 0.13, and you times that by 100, which equals 13%. That's your answer, 13%. Hope you like this video. Subscribe for more.